Hello everyone! In this video, we'll explore the Odoo Export Pricelist module. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore our number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now let's move back to our video. This is our Odoo backend. In the Apps section, make sure the Odoo Export Pricelist module is installed and activated. After that, navigate to Sales, then Products, and select Price Lists. Make sure you have at least one price list created. If not, create one first. For this demonstration, I'll export the wholesale price list. Select the price list, click the settings icon, and then choose Export Price List. Here, you can choose from multiple file types, including PDF, Excel, and CSV. The export type is set to download by default. For this demonstration, I'll select PDF as the file type and click Export. As you can see, the PDF file has been downloaded successfully. As you can see, the downloaded file contains the wholesale price list along with all the associated products. Now let's export the price list for a specific customer. Under the Customer section, select the customer Deco Addict, Addison Olson, then click Export Customer Price List PDF. The customer-specific price list will be generated and downloaded successfully. You can find the exported file in the Downloads folder. As you can see, the report has been generated for the customer Addison Olson and includes all the products in the selected price list. The module also provides a Send via Email option. To use it, navigate to Sales, then Products, open the desired price list, and click Export Price List. Here, you'll find the Send via Email option. This feature sends the exported price list report directly to the customer via email. Now let's export the wholesale price list as an Excel file. Select Excel as the file type and click Download. Once the file is downloaded, open it. As you can see, the price list has been exported in Excel format with all the product details. And that's all about the functionality of this module. I hope you like it. If you have any queries, please contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.